Hello, welcome back to my channel. As promised, I will go through my little spring journal, just to show how, because obviously I've made a few things off camera as well, so I'll show what the finished result is. I made a little dangle here with some ribbon and crystals. I made this little tag with a key on. The cover is loose, like this, and it's got a pocket at the front, this one, and there's a couple of tags at the back. There's also same size pocket on the back. I haven't got a tag in there, but yeah, it's the same size. There we go. And this is the journal. Here at the front, a little box. Got a pocket here with a nice big tag. I've left quite a bit of writing space as well. Tried to contain myself and not put too much in. Here's a little cluster, just made with lace and trim ribbon and a little flower. I made a couple of them. Like this. Very easy to make, and I just think they're very cute. And a good way to use your little bits of lace and ribbon and trim and whatever you have. A little tuck spot here. I think these are very sweet. This one, I'll put the links to my all my tutorials in the description, so you can follow all the well, not all, but most of the things I did here. I've got a tutorial for these. There's a pocket here. Nice big pocket here. And a nice little pocket here. With a mini little tag. And a place here for a little secret message. All this is just nice space for someone to write in. Here I've got a pocket. Again, a nice big tag. And there is a pocket behind the pocket, so there's a smaller tag there. This is a little envelope. I've also got a tutorial for these. A nice spacey one. This is my wraparound pocket, so it's the same on both sides. Again, more space. have a video with this one where I showed how I did this. Just a paper bag and some lace to keep the flap down. That's the last video I made with this flip out, fold out, don't know what it's called, but basically again a load of writing space, journaling space. Just a fun little thing. 3 pockets here. Oh, that's a side pocket with some of my tags. My little mini journal that you can actually take out. Put it in your handbag and bring it with you when you're out and about if you want to make little notes. There we are. And I managed to glue that to the... How great. Again here a little tuck spot. I save when I make pockets. I'm saving the cut-offs. Let's see if I can find one. Something like this. Obviously this is too thin. If it's cardstock or very sturdy book pages, it works better. So basically it's, if you have 2 little corners like that, like this, you just put them in a staggered way. So you put the next one here, just like a mountain. So you have 2 tuck spots here. I made this out of a book page. It's a little bit too thin, so I'll just keep everything in place with a paper clip. And couple of 2 circles. Making a tab. Again, nice big pocket. Don't know if you can see it, but I put some ribbon through. It's a just made some holes and weaved the ribbon through the holes. Flip out here to add more writing space, journaling space. And this, again, I'm just keeping this in place with a paper clip with a little dangle on. So this is my Belly Band Galore page. So you've got a nice big piece here, a medium sized here, and a little mini there, and again a little secret writing space. again, I like to make these interactive pages. It just makes it a bit more fun and a bit more interesting. There we go. And I'm just keeping this big tag in place with the paper clip, like that. This is just a fold out page, and I put this little strip on. You can use it as bookmark. And again, this is one I have the tutorial on in another video. More writing. Tuck that in there. And that's it. My little spring journal. I've actually enjoyed making this, although I'm not, as I've said before, I'm not a pink and purple person. They're not my favorites, but I actually think it works. I'm quite pleased with this one, and I like the way it's made. I'll be making more of these. Maybe make a full cover, maybe attach the signatures to the cover. Yeah. There we go. Spring journal finished. I think I'm not gonna make more in this just now. Hope you enjoyed this little mini series of spring journal malarkey. So that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed it, as I said, and I'll see you next time. Bye.